Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a simple yet essential feature of WhatsApp: how to pin your chats. If you're like most users, you probably have a long list of conversations, making it challenging to find the ones that matter most to you. Pinning chats helps you keep your important messages right at your fingertips. So, let's jump into the steps you need to follow to pin a chat on your Android device. First, make sure you have WhatsApp installed and open on your Android device. Locate the app icon and tap it to launch. You'll be greeted with your recent chats. Next, when you're in WhatsApp, scroll through your conversations to find the group or the chat you want to pin. Once you've found it, tap and hold on that specific chat. This action will highlight the chat and bring up additional options at the top of the screen. Finally, look for the pin icon, which resembles a push pin. It should appear towards the top of your screen among other icons. Tap on the pin icon and voila! Your chat is now pinned at the top of your chat list for easy access whenever you open WhatsApp. That's all there is to it. By following these 3 simple steps, you can effortlessly keep your most important chats visible and accessible. Enjoy your enhanced messaging experience, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.